To extract all the pictures from a video, the first thing we do is go into Tools, Preferences, go down here to Show Settings. You want all. Under Video Filters, we want to come down here to Scene Filter, set your extension, your size, your location of your files. Wait a minute, this is the prefix. So we're going to just do this demo. Directory, path, prefix. Make sure this is correct. New folder. We'll just call it demo. Go into the folder. Grab the path. Here's our path. And I want every picture out of there. So that's a 1-to-1 ratio. If I wanted 1 every 3 images, then I would put the 3 in there. Now, the thing that wasn't obvious to me is to go to Filters and make sure it's checked. So we hit Save, we close, we open, we go to Media, we open a file, let's take the 10th here. Now, note that I have the repeat off, so there is no loop. The loop made everything go through and screwed up all my pictures. I only wanted to go through here once. Okay? There we go. And there's my images. They're all renamed, and I am good to go. So there's my tutorial. Have a good day.